doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back. I still work from home, and this is my 5th day working from home. So far, so good. There's so many things going on in the world, so I just wanted to say I love you all so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me all the time. So today's video, we're going to do unboxing. It's been a while since the last time I did my IPSY. I think it was last year. So yes, today's video, it's gonna be short. It's gonna be like, we're just gonna talk about IPSY. I've been subscribing to IPSY since 2016, way before I started YouTubing. That's how I end up creating my content in YouTube. It gave me a lot of confidence in taking care of my skin and be comfortable playing around with makeups. So this is our IPSY Plus for March 2020. If you're new to IPSY, this is the IPSY Plus, which is the second to, this is the middle box. And this is $25 a month, 5 full sizes. So it consists of skincare, beauty tools, and makeup every month. This is our pouch for the month, and actually it is a combination of green with this beigey color here. I don't know if you could see that, and it says here unstoppable, and it's so cute. Every month you're gonna receive this card here that has all the listing of the products that you're currently receiving for the month. This listing here gives you tips and ideas on how to use your goodies. The first item, we have the Coffee Coconut Body Scrub. This is an exfoliator, a scrub for your whole body, and it will leave you very smooth, very moisturized, hydrated skin. It has a natural antioxidant, which is great for repairing and protecting your skin. Second item, we have the R Plus company. This is the High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. You know what? I never had this one before, and actually it's pricey. Retail price is $29. And by the way, the body scrub is $21.99. It is for your hair. It will make your hair silky smooth and shiny. Gives protection such as vitamin E, pro vitamin B5, sodium PDA, which is a natural hydrator, and the best part is it smells amazing. That's what they said. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like when you put it on your hair, like you're gonna wake up. Like, the scent is so energizing, and I'm looking forward to use this. Okay, the third item, you know what, I noticed that we have 6 items for this month. That's a plus. And the third item, this one is from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Auto Balm Girl Powder. This is so dainty. This one comes with 2 blushes, pink and peach. You have a highlighter. Another one here can be for your bronzing, your contour, good for eyeshadows. This is a travel-friendly palette. Okay, the fourth item, this one is from Billion Dollar Brows. So yes, this is a 60-second to beautiful brow kit. This one comes with the brow applicator. This is very ideal for traveling. I got this shade here, which is taupe, and I'm looking forward to use this. Oh yeah, I think this is buildable. It's powder. This one new to me. Looking forward to use this. Next item is from Hey Honey. This is the Trick and Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer in light to medium. If your skin is problematic, propolis is one of the ingredients that based on my experience, I can trust. So if you haven't heard about propolis, propolis is a natural antibacterial. It will protect your skin from further infection, and this is good for your acne. Helps in healing my acne scars. If you have dark circles, it lighten up your skin. Okay, the last item from our IPSY Plus, This one is from Yensa. It's a Super 8 leaf oil in pink. You know what? I just read the packaging and I went online. This has a castor oil in it. It has broccoli seed oil. It has coconut oil, carrot oil, avocado, rice, chia seed oil in this. There's a lot of goodness. Sesame seed oil. There's a lot of oil in here. Actually, it's comfortable on your lips. Oh my goodness, smells like salad. Yeah. No, fruit salad. So yes, so I'm looking forward to use this, and this one retails for $24. I total everything. Our box valued for $160.50. $25 subscription. You got a lot for your box. And that's it for our IPSY Plus. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah.